Today, we'll be reviewing the features of our most comfortable retro-style e-bike, the Liberty. The Liberty features a step-through frame design paired with a powerful integrated 52-volt battery and a 1000-watt motor. It's also available in a 750 or 500-watt version, depending on your needs. It's available in two distinct colors, matte black and gloss white. With its 6061 aluminum alloy step-through frame, the Liberty is highly reliable and corrosion resistant. It's designed for riders looking to stand out in the most impressive way possible. While riding, the premium stitch saddle with additional padding conforms to your sitting position for maximum comfort. Just like all Rize bikes, the Liberty is equipped with a water resistance rating of IP65, giving it protection from all types of weather conditions. Suitable for most riders standing 5 feet and taller, the Liberty makes it easy for riders to get in and out of the bike. Now, with a fully integrated battery that attaches inside the down tube, the Liberty's frame helps protect your battery from the elements. To double your range, you can now mount a secondary battery on top of the down tube. Added durability comes standard from the sealing and protection in all of the critical electronics and wiring. At Rize, our engineers designed the Liberty to be comfortable and versatile enough to conquer all types of terrain. With its 4-inch slick tires, you can expect a smooth, quiet, and comfortable ride. The dual front and rear suspension provides added shock absorption to maximize comfort, while also giving you the ability to adjust compression and lockout in the front. For added comfort and styling, we paired the Liberty with high-rise chopper handlebars, allowing you to sit back in a more comfortable upright seating position for an all-day riding experience. With a custom cushioned seat, the Liberty provides one of the most comfortable seating styles in our lineup. The 4-inch wide slick tires offer puncture resistance, giving you confidence, comfort, and stability when riding. Thanks to the included fenders, you'll stay clean when riding through mud, dirt, and water. The battery can be easily installed and removed thanks to the innovative design. The battery is securely locked and can be unlocked with the provided keys. We've also included a quick release axle so you can easily remove the front wheel for transportation purposes. The Liberty comes with a rear rack, giving you ample space to maximize your cargo needs. The rear rack can also be removed to boast a sportier looking ride. Rest assured, no matter where you ride, the Liberty will give you the thrill and power needed to get you from point A to point B. The Liberty features options for a premium 48 or 52-volt 50E cell battery with up to 780 watt-hour of capacity. The high-performance 15 amp-hour battery delivers power to the motor, allowing the system to run at peak performance. For riders looking to increase their range, a secondary battery can be added, and thanks to the built-in port, it's a simple plug-and-play solution. Combined with the industry-leading Bafang motors, you'll be able to choose between 3 different motor sizes, 500, 750, or 1000 watt. They all share an equally powerful 85 Nm of torque, so our riders can expect amazing riding experience no matter which one you choose. Unleash the full power of the motor with the included throttle without any pedaling required. On days you need a workout, use the control pad to adjust the pedal assist levels from 0 to 7 to dial in the amount of assistance you need. Our highly responsive cadence sensors deliver power on demand to give you a seamless pedaling experience. The tried and true 7-speed Shimano Acera rear derailleur offers the perfect range of gears to tackle hills or hit top speeds. Changing gears is quick and easy, with the ability to double or triple shift gears thanks to the Shimano Rapid Shifter. Safety has always been our top priority when engineering our bikes. Tektro hydraulic disc brakes and ceramic brake pads come standard on the Liberty that offers the control and stopping power required on fat tire e-bikes. Brake inhibitors also come standard that cut off the motor when the brakes are applied to ensure a complete halt at your command. To ensure the safety at night, the Liberty is equipped with a custom 2000 lumen LED halo design headlight to brighten your surroundings and make your presence known. The taillight has 2 options, solid or flashing. For added safety, we've also included integrated brake lights that light up the rear when you apply the brakes. The Liberty was designed with powerful and exhilarating features to give you the retro-style ride you've been looking for. With its moped-style design and extreme comfort, It'll be sure to draw attention and keep you riding for as long as you can until your next charge. If you would like more information on the Liberty, don't hesitate to contact our in-house e-bike experts. Rise on!